So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-register ng double giga video for 49 sa ating smart and TNT SIM. But first, can you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, mula sa ating mobile device, pumunta lang tayo sa dial ng ating phone. And dito, dial lang natin is asterisk 123 number sign or hashtag, and then call. So ayan guys, after nyan, piliin lang natin dito yung number 5 which is yung giga. So type natin yung number 5 and then tap send. And then dito piliin natin yung number 2, yung double giga plus. Type number 2 and then send. And piliin naman natin guys dito yung video. So type natin yung number 1 para sa video and then tap send. And lastly guys, dito ang pipiliin na natin is yung number 3 which is yung 449. So makakakuha daw tayo ng 14 gigabytes for 28 days na data. So type natin dito guys yung number 3 and then tap send. So ayan guys, sabi dito kapag daw nag-register tayo ng double giga video 449, makakakuha tayo ng a total of 70 gigabytes na data. So, 14 gigabytes plus 2 gigabytes video araw-araw para sa YouTube, Netflix, and more. So, total of 56 gigabytes na siya guys. Plus, bukod pa doon, meron siyang only calls and texts for 28 days for only 449 pesos. So, para mo-subscribe guys, type natin yung number 1 and then send. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-register ng double giga video for 49 sa ating smart and TNT SIM. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!